Hi there. Today I'll be sharing 10 simple tips to help you start your journey in the art of bonsai. Ready to learn the secrets of caring for your first tree? Let's get started. 1. Choose the right tree. Start with easy species like the Chinese elm or jade plant. These trees adapt well to indoor conditions and are easy to care for. 2. Use the right pot. The pot should be the right size for the roots to grow, but not too large. Make sure it has drainage holes to prevent water from pooling at the bottom. 3. Water wisely. Bonsai trees don't like to dry out, but too much water can harm them. Water the tree when the top layer of soil is dry, but don't let the soil fully dry out. 4. Use proper soil. Use special bonsai soil that allows good drainage. Regular garden soil holds too much water and can damage the roots. 5. Provide enough light. Bonsai need plenty of sunlight. Place your tree near a window where it gets good light. If natural light is limited, consider using grow lights. 6. Prune regularly. Trimming the branches helps control growth and maintain the tree's shape. Regular pruning keeps your bonsai looking neat and miniaturized. 7. Use wire to shape the tree. Wiring is used to guide the branches in the desired direction. Make sure not to leave the wire on too long, as it can cut into the tree's bark. 8. Repot every 2 to 3 years. Repotting helps refresh the soil and trim the roots, ensuring your bonsai has enough space to grow. 9. Fertilize moderately. Use bonsai-specific fertilizers, but be careful not to overdo it. Too much fertilizer can damage your tree. 10. Patience is key. Bonsai is an art that requires time. The results won't be immediate, but with patience and care, your tree will grow into a beautiful work of art. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more bonsai tutorials.